Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the chronic sign digit representation. So actually I was learning this topic and I was getting a bit confused about the CSD and MSD. MSD is the next topic after chronic sign digit representation. MSD is minimum sign digit representation. So I was getting a bit confused about these topics and I was looking for a YouTube video, but I couldn't find a one. Now I thought after learning this topic, I thought maybe I can make a video and put it on YouTube. So let's start. So what's chronic sign digit representation? So actually, uh, we all know about the binary representation of number, and we can represent numbers in uh, form of one, the combination of ones and zeros. So CSD, there are three numbers in CSD instead of two, instead of one and zero, we have three numbers: minus one, zero, and one. So how we are going to do this? So let's take an example. Uh, for example, we have one number like this. This is our number in binary form. So how we are going to convert this? So we have to look for consecutive ones. We have to look for a pattern of consecutive ones. See, here we have the pattern of consecutive ones. So first we rewrite the same number here again. So we look for the pattern of consecutive ones here from starting from here. So at the start of consecutive ones, we'll put a minus one. One bar represent minus one. And when we are going through consecutive ones, like this is a consecutive one, we'll put a zero. This is a consecutive one, we'll put a zero. Uh, Here, the string of consecutive one breaks as we get a zero. So we'll put a one here. Okay. After this part, the representation will be exactly same. Okay. In the next step, we'll again look for the pattern of consecutive ones. So here we have consecutive ones. Just we do. So start of string, we'll put a minus one, consecutive one, consecutive one, consecutive one, zeros. End of string of consecutive ones, we'll put a plus one. Okay. So after that again, we will repeat exact same numbers as of above. Okay. Next step. Next up, same. We will look for a consecutive ones, consecutive pattern of ones. So here the string is starting. The string of consecutive one is starting from here. The consecutive with the string starting, so we'll put our one, consecutive one, consecutive one, consecutive one till here. We'll put zeros. The string breaks here. We'll put one, and then there's no consecutive one. Zero will be replicated same as above. Okay. So for this number, the chronic sign digit representation is this. What's the difference between both of them? These two numbers represent exact same digit in decimal form. But what is good in this chronic sign digit representation is we have very less number of non-zero digits. Like we have a lot of zeros here, and we have a lot of non-zero digits here. So what's good about this representation? The the thing that is good about this representation is that we have very few non-zero digits. So when doing the multiplication stuff, we know that anything multiplied by zero is zero. So we don't have to multiply these all zeros here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have to multiply these all 12 non-zero digits. But in this case we just need to multiply 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we are getting 12 partial products, and here we are getting only 4 partial products. So there's a huge amount of reduction in case of binary multiplication. So we are saving a lot of area if we are talking about in uh, design point of view. So uh, let's solve one more example of chronic signed digit representation. So okay, let's see one simpler example. We'll do some one simple example. Okay, so we have a 7-bit number. So this number represents 51 in decimal. So we have to take this number and convert it to chronic sign digit representation. Again, we will do the exact same thing. The string of 1 starts from here. So we will put a -1. It's a consecutive one, we'll put a 0. The string breaks here, we'll put 1 here. After that, same upper digits will be repeated. Okay. Next up, we will have to look again for consecutive ones. In this number, here are 2 consecutive ones. Again, the previous number will remain same. The string of 1 starts from here. We will put a -1 here. Consecutive one will put a 0, and string breaks here, we'll put a 1. Let's convert this number to decimal and let's see if both of these numbers are equal or not. Okay, so here you can see, as I told earlier, this number represents 51, and its equivalent CSD, if we take its 2 raised power 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and if we just take the decimal representation, if it is also 51. So that was all for CSD. We will discuss MSD in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.